What's your name? What's your name? My name is Gajibar. My name is Gajibar. How are you today? How are you today? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from England. I am from England. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I live in India. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? No, I prefer coffee. No, I prefer coffee. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I like pasta. I like pasta. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you like fruits? Do you like fruits? Yes, I love fruits. Yes, I love fruits. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? I like apples. I like apples. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Yes, I want some water. Yes, I want some water. What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink? I like juice. I like juice. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6. I wake up at 6. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10. Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What do you do every day? What do you do every day? I study and work. I study and work. Do you work or study? Do you work or study? I study. I study. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. Do you like your teacher? Do you like your teacher? Yes, he is very kind. Yes, he is very kind. Do you like studying English? Do you like studying English? Yes, I love English. Yes, I love English. Do you speak English every day? Do you speak English every day? Yes, I practice daily. Yes, I practice daily. How do you practice English? How do you practice English? I listen and repeat. I listen and repeat. Do you watch English videos? Do you watch English videos? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you read English books? Do you read English books? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you write in English? Do you write in English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you use an English app? Do you use an English app? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you listen to English songs? Do you listen to English songs? Yes, I enjoy them. Yes, I enjoy them. Do you have many friends? Do you have many friends? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Lily. My best friend is Lily. What do you do together? What do you do together? We play and talk. We play and talk. Do you see your friends every day? Do you see your friends every day? No, only one weekends. No, only one weekends. How many rooms are in your house? How many rooms are in your house? There are 4 rooms. There are 4 rooms. How are you today? How are you today? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from England. I am from England. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I live in India.